this problem says use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the limits. Is that clear? Okay. So please listen very attentively. Let's write solution. Limit x tends to 1, x squared plus 3x minus 4 all over x squared minus 7x plus 6. Okay? Yes, they say use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate the limit. L'Hopital's rule states that limit x tends to f of x all over g of x is equals to limit x tends to f prime of x all over g prime of x. Is that clear? So if you agree with me, it means we are going to apply this. Is that clear? Okay? Now, we want to evaluate these limits by using L'Hopital's rule. If now we substitute in this value, the limit here, both numerator and denominator, you discover that if x tends limit x tends to 0, it implies that 1 raised to power 2 plus 3 all in bracket 1 minus 4 all over 1 square minus 7 all in bracket 1 plus 6. Okay, here will give us 1 times 3 or 3 times 1 will give us plus 3 minus 4 all over 1 minus 7 plus 6. You discover that at the end of the day you are going to have 0 all over 0. Is that clear? For that reason, we are going to apply L'Hopital's rule to evaluate this limit. Is that clear? So now, what we need to do, without one telling you, you know very well that your f of x is this numerator, x squared plus 3x minus 4, and your g of x is this denominator, x squared minus 7x plus 6. Is that clear? So it implies that this implies that we are going to differentiate this numerator. At the same time, we will differentiate the denominator. Is that clear? So now, what we need to do, we will differentiate the denominator and the numerator. It implies that if we differentiate x raised to the powers of 2, it implies that we are going to have 2x. Is that clear? Then if we differentiate 3x, we are going to have 3. Then if we differentiate 4, note that 4 is a constant. It means it will give us 0. Is that clear? So if we differentiate this function, we are going to have 2x plus 3. Then let us consider the denominator. Let us differentiate x squared. We're going to give us 2x. Then let us differentiate minus 7x. Is going to give us minus 7. If we differentiate 6, 6 is a constant. It will always give us 0. Is that clear? So this is what we will obtain. At this point, we are going to substitute in the limit. We now write limit x tends to 1, 2x plus limit x tends to 1, 3 all over limit x tends to 1, 2x minus limit x tends to 1, 7. Is that clear? It implies that anywhere you see x, you substitute in 1. So this is equals to 2 on a bracket. Your x is 1. Is that clear? Then plus here there is no x, it's only 3. Write 3. Then the same thing applicable 1. Here there is no x, you write minus 7. So here will now be 2 times 1 will give us 2 plus 3 all over 2 times 2 will give us Sorry, 2 times 1 will give us 2. Then minus 7. Here is 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Then 2 minus 7 will now going to give us minus 5. Is that clear? So the limit will now be, without us subtract this and this will go. It will give us minus 1. Is that clear? This is how to solve problems of this form if you are asked to use L'Hopital. Supposing here, as it is, you solve to obtain, let me say, 0 all over 0. Is that clear? Or you have 2 all over 0. It implies that you are still going to apply the L'Hopitals. Is that clear?